anyusu o man sika yie won benya tumi edidi dwuma o man anyusu o man sika yie na ebinim ho aye mo madwuma se o monye o mo anye ebi na nopa ne ye ka se toilet kura ebi mu nkosi no sebe ehun sika no yaje enso adwuma no yenye emra hye bedwa fo no kura ye se asupiti bi aye be ye ne ye de aboa ba bi e de behwe na afi wo ma ya de sa ho nsem so be konkan no so hu sika ekoye eno 20 million sika no yetwia ba so mfaso obi amai ba public accounts committee eno ma bi ekoso last week me ka mo ho asem and this situation is still going on me be se utie we me wia ye beka ensem bi on
please whenever we are doing something right, because this also boils down to the integrity of the state, integrity of reports. And so, Honorable Deputy Minister, that is all we are saying. What we are saying is that through the diligence of this committee, we realized that that particular report was missing in the reports of Volume 1 and Volume 2 that was submitted to Parliament, and we drew their attention. We don't want to go back and forth over this. All we are saying is that in as much as we want to do the right thing, let's also equally attach some diligence to whatever we do, so that some of these things may not occur in the future, because it may also have repercussions. Had we not pointed it out to them, and then we come in here to reach something that had not been submitted to Parliament, we all know the implications. So that's all we are saying. We are all here to fight and make sure the right thing is done, and whatever gets it, and whatever obligations that the state also has to deliver on, the state also does it. So that's why we are here. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. I agree with you, except to say that it is the diligence that has brought us here. It is our diligence that has led to the uncovering of these things. So if the diligence you are talking about were there, we wouldn't have had all these problems we are talking about. So yes, we agree that everybody must be diligent. The issue is clear. There are volumes. This one was omitted. It was detected. It has been submitted. So we agree on diligence. Let us all work to be diligent. Thank you.
All right, Minister.
Thank you very much, Mr. Minister. But I said this is not the first time this report has been done. This is not the first time such a report has been presented to the House. So let's move on. We've ended it. I think we should move on. This is the second within a short space of time. So the real problem is the system, and that is what we have to address, not the back and forth, respectfully. This is not the first time. Like I told you previously, it was done. 5.3 billion was rejected, and 6.3 billion went through. So let's go ahead and sit and see how best we can salvage the situation that we have. And like we all agree, come out with recommendations that moving forward will help us not to find ourselves in this situation again, should there be a change of government. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, you see, we want to move forward, but when we keep making reference, the same thing happened. I mean, you are introducing what we don't want into these discussions. We have a problem at hand. We have specific infractions we are talking about. So let's deal with them. Thank you.
I like the posture of the Deputy Finance Minister, Honorable Thomas Ampim. Na maka same we Honorable Member of Parliament for Atiwa East constituency, Mame Abena Osei-Asare. Mame, this is my message to you. It's a privilege and a winner. And I won't crow for Abamam. And na wetimi akunya akunwa bi atena wo parliament ya. Ene wo chair public accounts committee no. Ensusu hu da se tumi a ekura wo sesei on the public accounts committee no. Wo wo de ehye obotum. A wo de ba ya wo de betena ho. And respect Ghanaians. Honorable Minister, Honorable MP, respect Ghanaians. The Public Accounts Committee, no, and your committee, you play politics. The Public Accounts Committee must show Ghanaians some respect. I have my own reservations about how this Public Accounts Committee behave this time. What kind of behavior is that? the attitude of this woman must be checked. Yanya Public Accounts Committee CM play politics. Auditor General aye report aye nhwehwemu ehun say enoma akoso 2024 enie eno na mo atena so a mu scrutinize ere. And so Deputy Minister of Finance Thomas Ampimi na our position or team now Osei-Asare now to the same position. You were the Deputy Finance Minister. Woni kenofuriata eye adwuma. Who ye Deputy Finance Minister from 2017 to 2025. Woni Akufo-Addo koi. And someone ye ka wa Public Accounts Committee ya ebi ye sikedie ebi ye ji sika ya nya adwuma ni nyina abena Osei-Asare. Now we are Deputy Finance Minister. Mo oni kenofuriata na mutue sika no. Enti ehun asemo bakura na aba Public Accounts Committee. Enti enye waniwu that you are even making reference say obi diligent. And you be at 2024 na why na ye Deputy Finance Minister. Thomas ye oti wani munyo na ye Deputy Finance Minister oho. Enu na wo twe adwene esiso. See ye no ma year 2024 na enkenye report wa ba ye ka ho asem neni. Eho na abeka say anye afi na BSc pen NDC time mo atwam kra bi sie na ye na as a chairman of the Public Accounts Committee eho na wo play politics. Don't be on the committee with your emotions. Honorable Abna Osei-Asare. We don't play emotions in accountability sections and processes. Now they are your politics. Where are you heading towards? Ahina okro. Oni kenofuriata na mutue PSS kano. Ska ye ken ye bia kwa adwuma ma ya anya adwuma anya mu na mutue PSS kano. O ka ho bi. You are the Deputy Finance Minister. You should be even answering questions by now. Empunka kenofuriata ba was one meya or tiamano nini adi. Wukra na nkesi ya chon ma uyi nsem bia no. Because most of the payment was done from the finance ministry. I know when you play politics. Thomas Ampim was very intelligent to tell you that Diaba efuna so ni Niaba ne ni eka ho asem. Now we are diligent here. And can under you in 2024 nkasa na o ma we nyina nka ehu. Hwesika pa ya se no. Energy Ministry crowd now top in 2024. 15.8 billion, 86% in irregularities. And you Sanitation Ministry, over 8.2 million, toilet for all. Sikano, say fine. It was all under you, Abna Osei-Asare. And you when you also play politics on the committee. Ebusu yama min kodin komomra. Na